Rolex.
Oh no. Oh yeah, no, it loaded. You ain't got no Rolexes, kid. You broke.
So how come I can't hear him?
Because you're on Xbox.
Oh.
Alright, forgotten. Or no. Who window was me?
You two are answering it or what?
Who's getting sniper?
I'm getting sniper.
Alright, I'll go.
Back door, watch boom. Maybe. On nades.
Sniper's down. Let's go. Push, 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 push.
He's about to get res.
Nice.
He's getting a res too in there.
Is it laggy? Is the game laggy for you guys? I'm lagging. I hate that. That's fast for me, pinche internet.
Sad.
Nice being a pro and getting down by that.
Why, is Icy a pro?
Yeah. No? Right? Jose? He is.
Yeah, he is.
Nicholas Icy? He's a pro?
Yeah.